So I may have done a thing, but if I was gonna take my business seriously, I was gonna need these. And well, yeah, I was scared to spend the money, but yeah, here we are. So I really hate the fact that I have to showcase this because my little corner of the bedroom, but this is what you mainly will see most of the time. So I love that, you know? This is really cute. That's really aesthetic. Especially when it's cleaned up, it's great. But the rest of my bedroom is basically this. It is small. It's like the size of a shoebox. It's not ideal. Obviously, it's going to be hard to run a business out of this, but you know, everyone starts somewhere. So I'm in the process of moving my TV. Whoopsies. Whoa. It literally looks like I'm moving. This is one of my label printers. I don't know which one. Second label printer. The kicker. The Cricut Extra Joy. Dude, there's more tape everywhere. So like, I really just honestly paid like $60 for this. It's usually like 200 something. I got it on sale for like 120. And then I still got like a rebate program thing, so I got like $60 back. Glorious thing is so tiny and is so perfect for tiny spaces. So the only thing about this thing is it is only Bluetooth activated, and my PC doesn't have Bluetooth, but I did get a Bluetooth dongle, and I did see that it does work with, like, it does connect to Windows 11 with the Bluetooth dongle that I got. I will link that below if you have the same issue. I'm scared. Okay. I really could care less about aesthetics or ASMR right now. Oh my goodness, I definitely have space for a printer. This is so cool. This is so cool. Oh my god. So I'm not gonna hook it up just yet because I don't want it turning it on me randomly when I haven't read anything about it yet. I'm gonna put this wire under here so it doesn't move when I'm hooking it up. Thermal label protector set up. I don't know which one's which. So I've used this one before. So it's either this one, which, look at this cutie patootie, oh my goodness, or this one I haven't used yet, I haven't set it up yet. This one or this one. I don't need this sticker on top, it just also looks really ugly. So, I'm trying to figure things out. Just grab this. Yeah, remove this label before use. That's all it says. Blah, 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 blah. So I don't really need it. Cool. So look at this little bubble. Okay. I wish you could see this a little bit more clearly. I think that's it. So upon further consideration, I love this backdrop. I'm gonna insert a photo of, you know, one of my stickers with this backdrop. But because my TV is going over there now, it means that tassels have to come down. And I want to keep the tassels, so I'm gonna move them over here. But I don't like this. And I'm going to take this entire setup and move it over here. So now I'll have a very cute sticker creation station. You know, all this is temporary. I'm not going to be here forever because the goal is to make enough money to move out of this place. It's amazing that I'm creating a business in the midst of like chaos. Honestly, like that's the best way to describe it because like my family is just so chaotic. So easy to get caught up in their chaos and become chaotic. My brain is just like, Yada 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 yada. Really just got tired of it being on my floor, and I really need to put it down, put it on my shelf. Okay, now I feel like I need to put this on the floor for me to be able to pull it out. Oh. All right. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. It's so cute and tiny. I feel fancy. Look at this fancy thing. Okay, now how do I alley-oop it to get rid of the plastic? Oh, there it is. Ooh. Damn, my Cricut is heavier than this printer. Printer is finally set up. Not completely. I didn't put the ink in yet or anything like that, but I finally have it on my shelf is basically what I mean. Thermal label printer, Cricut machine. And yes, there's like, if once I pull out the Cricut machine, I do have 10 inches behind it because it does say you have to have like 10 inches behind you. Which is really, really awesome. And then like right above it, we got my lanyard. Look at that. My lanyard was like, you know, a little crooked. I will insert an image of what it really looks like all together as one because like this, you can hardly tell about how good it looks. Registering and creating a Cricut account. No, not sure which kind. I'm going to check at the bottom of the machine. Mine's the Cricut Joy Xtra. It's so perfect. Look at that. You can now prepare the printers. Oh! It's been in front of my face the entire time. Man, why did I sound like I was from Texas? Just like the way the app says, we're holding it. Maybe I should have done it this way. I'm a right-handed person. But basically... Oh, sorry. It stopped. Doot. In last color. We're gonna close this bad boy up firmly. Confirmed. It's firm. And now we're gonna move on to the next step. Very cute. I printed out the test page and everything actually came out pretty decently besides this little corner over here, which isn't a big deal, but like if I was printing out a paper for college and stuff like that, that would have been an issue. Am I in college? No. But still, this say, congratulations, you finished setting up your printer. Okay, I did that, so we're gonna continue. Print and cut calibration. I don't know if the silhouette machines are like this now, but like I definitely didn't have to do this when I had the silhouette machine, so this must be something new. I have no idea. Like it's just intriguing, but at the same time, it's a lot. I don't want to rush, so I'm gonna see what I can get done now, today, or whatever, and if anything poses as an issue or I have to troubleshoot some more, I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. I think I'm doing this correctly. It's going. It's just super slow as compared to everything else that we dealt with. That's so satisfying. Look at it. So I might need some more lighting and be doing this at night because it's really hard to see at night where I'm putting this down. They're not as premium as my actual stickers because I put them on like a plain paper sticker paper kind of a thing, but I put a hollow on top. Ooh, look at that, look at that. There it goes. Oh my goodness, it's been a day and I was like, you know what, I gotta do it. And I gotta say a big shout out and thank you to my first order who was actually one of my friends, Liz. She's been a day one supporter of me and my business since I started selling digital goods like years ago. She's absolutely an amazing person. It was thanks to her doing that that kind of pushed me to set up my Cricut, to set up my printer and all that stuff. But like it's such a cliche quote and stuff like that, but it's so true. Like, you'll never be ready unless you just do it, you know? Had she not ordered, I would have consistently just kept telling myself I'm not ready, or just kind of waited to like set up my printer and my Cricut machine. Invoice, mail order, envelope. And it comes with a sticky thing. I didn't even know. Cool. I don't have to put my tongue on it. Closed. Do not bend sticker. Handle with care. I just need to put her address on it and I'm good to go. If you made it this far, I highly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Toodaloo for now.